Hello and welcome to Three Sparrows. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that affects every one of us: personal finance and effective management. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to optimize your current strategies, this video is packed with tips and practical examples to help you achieve financial stability and success. First, let's define what personal finance is. Personal finance involves managing your money, including your income, expenses, savings, investments, and debt. It's all about making informed decisions to meet your financial goals, whether that's buying a home, saving for retirement, or simply living comfortably. Think of personal finance as a roadmap to your financial future. The better you plan, the smoother the journey. Effective financial management is crucial because it helps you stay in control of your finances. It allows you to plan for the future, avoid unnecessary debt, and ensure that you're using your resources in the most efficient way possible. Without effective management, it's easy to fall into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck, which can lead to financial stress and missed opportunities. Let's start with the first step in effective financial management: budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of personal finance. It's about tracking your income and expenses to ensure you're not spending more than you earn. Here's a simple method you can use: the 50-30-20 rule. According to the 50-30-20 rule, 50% of your income should go towards necessities like housing, utilities, and groceries. 30% can be allocated to discretionary spending, like entertainment and dining out. The remaining 20% should be dedicated to savings and debt repayment. Let's see this in action with a practical example. Suppose you earn $4,000 a month. According to the 50-30-20 rule, $2,000 would go towards necessities, $1,200 for discretionary spending, and $800 for savings and debt repayment. By following this rule, you can ensure that you're living within your means while still saving for the future. Next, let's talk about building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a safety net that covers unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. A good rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This fund should be kept in a separate, easily accessible account. For example, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, aim to save at least $9,000 to $18,000 in your emergency fund. Having this fund in place will give you peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt when unexpected costs arise. Managing debt is another critical aspect of personal finance. Not all debt is bad, but it's important to manage it wisely. Start by prioritizing high-interest debt, like credit card balances. Paying these off first can save you money in the long run. Let's say you have a credit card balance of $5,000 with a 20% interest rate. By paying an extra $100 a month, you could save hundreds in interest and pay off the debt faster. Consider using the debt snowball or avalanche method to tackle your debt systematically. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth over time. It's about putting your money to work so it can grow and help you reach your long-term financial goals. Start by contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and can significantly boost your savings. For instance, if you invest $200 a month in a retirement account with a 7% annual return, after 30 years, you could have over $200,000. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Finally, personal finance is an ongoing process. It's essential to continuously educate yourself and adjust your strategies as your life changes. Stay informed about financial trends, review your budget regularly, and make adjustments as needed. This proactive approach will help you stay on track to meet your financial goals. Let's recap the key steps. 1. Budgeting. 2. Building an emergency fund. 3. Managing debt. 4. Investing for the future. And 5. Continuous education and adjustment. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering personal finance and achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep managing your money wisely.